Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be making this amazing hair treatment that will take your natural hair game to another level. I mean, this treatment will help you to grow your hair in a very healthy form, and the most amazing part is that it's made from natural ingredients that is easy to come by. So if this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome. My name is Sophia and I make DIY hair and beauty videos. So please kindly subscribe to my channel and click on the bell beside it so you get notification next time I upload new videos. So without wasting time guys, let's jump right into it. My first ingredients that I'm going to be using for this hair treatment is banana, and I'll be using 1 medium size of banana. Do you know that banana, when applied to your hair, it can help to repair damaged hair? Yeah, banana can help you repair that damaged hair, and it also helps to fight flaky scalp. It also has vitamin B6, which is great for hair, and it keeps your hair shiny. My next ingredient is amla. Amla is also another ingredient that is great for natural hair. It has vitamin E. It also keeps your hair shiny. It helps to fight against dandruff, and it also helps to keep your hair black. Like, it also fights and reduces gray hair. Like, it also keep your hair in that dark natural form. So I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of amla powder into my blender. And the next ingredients that I'm going to be using for this treatment is moringa powder. Moringa powder has vitamin E. It'll keep your hair shiny and well moisturized, and it also helps to keep your hair from drying out by sealing in moisture, and it helps also to stimulate hair growth. So I went ahead to add 3 tablespoons of this moringa powder into my blender. And once I have all my ingredients in the blender, I'm going to go ahead and add some hot water. This also hot water is going to help the ingredients in powder form to melt, so that it will be easy for me to blend and mix together. So then I went ahead to blend it using my mixer, and I'm going to blend it till all my ingredients is very smooth and is well mixed. Once I'm sure that my ingredients is smooth and ready, I'm going to transfer it into a bowl. And once it has mixed very well, I'm going to go ahead and store it and keep it for 1 hour to cool off, and then I'll bring it back. And next, I'm going to go ahead and add some olive oil, and I'll be adding 50 ml of olive oil into it, and then I'll mix the olive oil into the ingredients very well. And once the olive oil has mixed, next I'm going to be adding a few drops of tea tree essential oil into it, and then I'll add also a few drops of rosemary essential oil. Then after adding the rosemary essential oil, I'll go ahead and mix the ingredients together and the oil very well and mix thoroughly. After mixing it, I treatment is ready, I'm going to transfer it into my container from where I'll be applying it to my hair. This hair treatment is very effective and you should use it once a month for your natural hair, and you will see great results after using it for the first time, I assure you, because it is packed with nutrients and minerals that will repair your hair and help your hair to grow. So here I have already washed my hair. I'm going to go ahead now and show you guys how I apply this treatment to my hair. Once your hair is washed, you can apply this treatment to your hair and your scalp and strand. You need to apply it to every part of your hair, from your scalp to your hair strand and the tip and every part of it. So enjoy some music, guys, while I apply this to my hair. So this is my hair after applying the treatment to my hair. As you can see, my coils are coiling, like the coils are popping. So I applied this to my hair and scalp, and next I'm going to go ahead and cover it on my hair with a plastic bag, and then I'll leave it on for at least 30 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes. I left mine for 30 minutes. If your hair is really damaged and you want to repair it, you can leave it for longer. So I left it on my hair for 30 minutes, and then I washed it out with leave-in conditioner, with a normal conditioner, sorry. So this is my hair after applying it and washing it off. As you can see, my hair is looking so shiny and healthy. So see you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.